I hope we are live right now. Kindly reply in case if we are live. Very, very happy afternoon to each and everyone. Very, very happy afternoon. We'll start the class in another 1 or 2 minutes. Each and every problem, whatever I am discussing, we'll discuss the concept. We'll also discuss the shortcut that is used to simplify this problem in less time. Let me check it out. If everything is clear, then we will start the class. Right. Just 1 minute, sir. Shiva. Kindly sit in the class with a notebook and a pen. Right. What is that a student is going to get in this class? What is that a student is going to get? Most of the students who are preparing for CAT examination, it is the last mile for them. Especially this video is tremendously useful to the students who are preparing for CAT examination. CAT 2023 examination, which is going to happen in November last Sunday. For the students who are preparing for SSC CGL, for the students who are preparing for SSC CGL exam and any other examination where they wanted to learn mathematics or they wanted to solve aptitude problems, maths section, they are finding trouble in maths section, they wanted to learn some shortcuts which will help them to solve questions in less time. What we will do is, we will discuss easy methods, probably the best methods. A method is said to be a best method if it takes less time to solve and less steps to solve, and fastest method, probably right, no traditional way of solving. We will try to discuss every question using the simplest way. Even a non-math student also will understand this way. Best way, that means by using this way, you can save a lot of time in solving the question. You can attempt more number of questions, and probably the questions which can be solved at an jet speed we will discuss. Jet speed we will discuss. So any student who is preparing for any nationwide or a statewide examination where aptitude is a section, this class will be tremendously useful. This class will be tremendously useful. What we are going to discuss, I am going to take this class for about close to approximately very close to 90 minutes I will take. It is going to be an 1.5 hour section. Sir, are you going to discuss questions based on number system or questions based on arithmetic? No, we are going to discuss questions, a combination. It is a mixed practice session. You will find some questions based on number system. You will find some questions based on arithmetic. You will find some questions based on algebra. You will find some questions based on geometry and a modern math session. Geometry and modern math session. This is session 1. We will, once we students enjoy solving these original right CAT replica based questions, then we will continue this session. Extremely important session for the students who are preparing for CAT examination in particular. Other exams also we are going to do. So we are going to solve the mixed practice questions, quality questions, high level questions, mixed practice questions, mixed practice questions. Every question I will discuss the traditional method as well as the optimal method. In case if you enjoy this content, sir, I wanted to learn entire arithmetic from you, and you see a lot of right shots or the videos, sir, I wanted to buy an arithmetic course. You can buy an arithmetic course based upon the exam when you are writing and based upon the financial budget. You can buy the topic wise courses. Arithmetic, pure maths is number system, geometry. You can also buy the latest verbal ability videos taken by the most experienced teacher in India. You can buy the exam based courses, SSC, CGL. You can buy the banking or exam course. Railway exams, a big, right, lakh plus notification related to lakh plus jobs are coming very, very soon. You can buy the railway exam course. You can buy the exam based course. CAT 23 examination. Sir, I wanted to learn all your shortcuts across 3 areas, aptitude, reasoning and verbal. You can go for it. Let us get into the question. Every question I will discuss the traditional method as well as the optimal method. Most of the questions, not most, almost all questions, whatever we are going to discuss are either replica of the CAT examination standard or any other management examination standard. See this question, x into 4 minus 15 by x is equivalent to 4 by x. Find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. First of all, this question is from algebra. This question is from algebra, right? We will try to find out what is the traditional method that a student will solve this problem, and thereby why he will take little more time to solve. Almost every student will try to solve the question like this. This is an easy question, but unfortunately what he will do is he will use the top-down approach. What is a top-down approach? First he will read the question. X into 4 minus 15 by x is equivalent to 4 by x. And he will multiply it. 4 into x, 4x, minus 15 by x into x. X cancel, it is 15, is equivalent to 4 by x. He will cross multiply 4x into x, 4x square minus 15x is equivalent to 4. He will put 4 in the left hand side. 4x square minus 15x minus 4 is equivalent to 0. This is a quadratic expression. He will use how to find out the roots of an expression, right notation. He will find x, then he will find 1 by x, then he will square x, then he will square 1 by x square. He will add it. He will get the answer. Is the approach right? Approach is right. But is it the best method? Definitely it is not the best method. In case by reading the question, you know how to solve the approach and you are solving like this, probably you know how to attack the question, but you do not know the fastest way to solve the question. This is method 1, which I would not suggest a student to use this method. Sir, then what is the right method to solve the problem? Now listen carefully. Method 2, which is the easy, best and fastest way to solve the problem. Please read the question first. For a few seconds, please pause it. X into 4 minus 15 by x equivalent to 4 by x. What is he asking in the question? X square plus 1 by x square he is asking. X square plus 1 by x square he is asking. X square plus 1 by x square. If x square is p, 1 by x square will be 1 by p. P plus 1 by p is p 1 by p. That is the definition of a mixed fraction. In mixed fraction, 10 by 3 is written as 3 3s are 9, remaining it is 1. It is 3 1 by 3. 3 1 by 3 is 3 plus 1 by 3. 3 1 by 3 is 3 plus 1 by 3. That means P 1 by P is P plus 1 by P. Don't cancel P and P. That means the question is of the form P 1 by P. P 1 by P. Which option is of the form P 1 by P? It is not, it is not, it is not. Answer for this question is 16 1 by 16. Answer for this question is 16 1 by 16. Reason is only option which is of the form is 16 1 by 16. What did you eliminate by looking at the answer option? You eliminated algebraic expression evaluation. Number 2, you eliminated how to find out the value of x in quadratic equation using a root method. You eliminated use x square 1 by x square addition and finding the values. Please remember, the reason behind introducing this question to you is to tell you that first always keep an eye on answer options. Always keep an eye on answer option. A smart student A smart student will always ask me this question, sir, what if there is an option, another option which is of the form P1 by P. If you are preparing for 1 year or 2 years, if you are getting a doubt, a person who has been teaching for 18 years, probably I might have encountered that doubt in some years of my experience. Suppose if there is an option, another option 9 1 by 9. What should I do if there is another option 9 1 by 9? Definitely this doubt is an valid doubt. Then how should we solve it? What you use bottom up approach. P1 by P. It is 16 1 by 16. That means P is 16. What is the value of 16? X square. X square it is 16. X will be 4 or minus 4. 4 or minus 4. Check whether left hand side is equivalent to right hand side. Let me put 4 here. 4 into 4, 16. 16 minus 15, 1. 4 by 4 it is 1. Let me put minus 4 here. 4. Is it satisfying this equation? Yes. The value of x is satisfying this equation. So answer for this question is 16 1 by 16. Are you all with me? If I put 9 1 by 9, 3 or minus 3. 3 is not satisfying, minus 3 is satisfying. I got P value x square 16, in which x equivalent to 4 is making left hand side equivalent to right hand side. Idea behind giving you this first question is, there will be some questions, at least 10 to 15% of the questions which can be solved by using answer options. Whenever you are writing competitive examination, eliminating answer option is one of the smartest ways to solve the question. Sir, where the elimination of answer options will work tremendously, especially in arithmetic, it will work when you know the divisibility rule of prime number, when you know the concept of digital sum, when you know the concept of rightmost non-zero digit. These are the ways where you can eliminate answer option approach. In number system also, eliminating answer options will work if you know the concept of perfect squares, if you know the domain of the given variables and whether the answer options will fit into the domain or not. In geometry related questions, you can draw the diagram to the scale and you can find out the lowest value as well as the highest value. In surds and indices, eliminating answer option approach will definitely work. Eliminating answer options, if the answer options are far away from each other, then probably your life becomes much more easy. The moral of this first question is, keep an eye on answer option. Do not directly jump into the conclusion. This is what I wanted to teach through this first question. I hope the first question idea it is